So today I'll be testing one of my favorite YouTubers' recipe, Andrew Ray from Binging with Babish. So a couple of weeks ago he posted a shrimp scampi recipe and I wanted to try it. I've been watching his channel since 2017 I think. And today is the first time I'm trying one of his recipes. So let's see how it goes. So to start with the pasta, I'm going to add some water to the pot, about halfway. Add my oil. And salt. I'm going to stir this and bring this to a boil. So I'm seeing some bubbles, so I'm going to add the pasta. Linguine. So now the pasta is partially cooked. I'm going to put it aside and get my skillet. So I'm going to start with the butter. Scrape everything out. And the olive oil. I'm going to add my red chili flakes. Stir this around. Crush my garlic. Is this pot big enough? I don't know, but I'll see when I get there. So at this point I'm going to add the wine and let that evaporate. So I have my shrimp here peeled and deveined. I like leaving the tail on because it gives me something extra to chew on when I'm finished eating. I'm gonna add the shrimp. So while that's cooking, I'm just gonna cut up my parsley. Add my pasta. I'm just gonna mix this around. Now this is looking good by the way. But yes, the question is this pot big enough? I don't think so. Because right now I only have maybe a quarter of the pasta in this pot. Continue chopping this up. So now I'm gonna squeeze a lemon inside the pot. Try to avoid allowing its seeds to go inside. I'm going to add some salt, some black pepper. I want a little bit more sauce in this, so I'm going to add some more pasta water. Let's taste this. So now I'm going to add some parsley to the mix. This looks damn good.
Lemon before dropping in scampi is an especially important application.
Yeah, so I think I might overcook the pasta, but nevertheless, it gets to the taste good regardless. So now it's time for the taste test. I'm just gonna act like I didn't taste it while cooking it. Have my first bite. I think I might overcook the pasta, but let's see how this tastes. Tastes good. Here, let me get one more bite. This tastes good. I'm impressed. I'm not a fan of lemony food. The only time I like lemons with my food is like on shrimp. Anything else is like a no-no. But this is something I will make again for sure. Like in the pasta, is this my favorite type of pasta? Nah, but it is one of my top 5, I guess. I think. But I will surely make this again. Let me get one more bite, because I am greedy. But I think I could improve this a little bit more with some Parmesan cheese and some tomatoes. But apart from that, thank you, Mr. Andrew Ray. I want to try the other recipe, the better one, but it calls for more ingredients, which mean more money and more time. So since this is the first time trying your recipe, I wanted to play it safe. But next time I'll try something else. Okay, that's it for this week's episode. If you like what you saw today and you'd like to see me test more recipes online, please consider subscribing, like, and share. Until next time, thank you.
Don't say you need to run. I'll stop the clock on Central Station and we can have a drink downtown. Let it be the night that I've been longing for.